Good afternoon, Dr. Batchelor. We are Team 22. My name is Tyler Brooks, and we have Jordan Sonalia, Lauren Bates, Blair Davis, and Justin Belisle. And our entrepreneur that we have chosen for our project is J.Crew. This presentation will cover everything with J.Crew, and we hope that you enjoy it.
The name of our project that we decided to do is J.Crew. The line of business is retail stores worldwide, outlet stores national, online and catalog business. Miller Drexler is the chairman and CEO. Jenna Loynes is the president and creative director. They partner with the finest global fabric mills and craftsmen, including Jack Purcell, Timex, Thomas Mason, and Red Wing. The number of employees from January 2011 are 12,700. There's 333 locations. The net income is $121.5 million. The geographical territory or business reach, J.Crew went global in August of 2011 with the first Canadian store located in Toronto, then followed Vancouver and Edmonton. It debuted in 1983 where its first catalog was launched. 6 years later, opened a flagship store at New York South Street in Seaport in 1989. Today the business includes retail and outlet stores nationwide and an ever-growing online and catalog business. As of January 2011, J.Crew has expanded to 248 retail and 85 outlet stores.
Now we're going to talk about J.Crew's international business focus. J.Crew has developed a market for their clothing in over 100 destinations internationally. J.Crew makes it easy for international customers to shop on their online stores. The website offers different shipping options depending upon which country the merchandise is being shipped to. In the customer service portion of the website, it lays out a chart explaining that the shipping time for each destination as well as explaining their flat rate international shipping fee. For Canada and Japan, the website goes into detail explaining the payment options as well as tax information for the two countries. J.Crew already has stores in Toronto, Vancouver, and Edmonton, Canada, and they are currently scouting more brick-and-mortar locations overseas to expand their international presence. J.Crew is also very involved in the community. J.Crew launched a philanthropy campaign known as Social Responsibility. From the website, it states, "We proudly support the work of a number of local and international charities. Our beneficiaries range from educational programs and nonprofit trade associations to organizations that fight life-threatening diseases." Crew supports things such as the Council of Fashion Designers of America, Teach for America, Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, and several local charities, including Baby Buggy, Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation, Publicolor, Big Brothers and Big Sisters, Ronald McDonald House, the National Wildlife Federation, and Boys and Girls Clubs of America.
J.Crew is committed to a standard of excellence in every aspect of business, including legal, ethical, and responsible conduct in all operations. J.Crew recognizes that the natural system provides and sustains the common resources that living beings require. J.Crew encourages suppliers to employ strategies in which the negative impact of paper production on water, air, earth, and climate are reduced as much as possible. J.Crew will promote advances in cleaner paper production by giving preferences to suppliers who employ new ideas and techniques for cleaner production. Energy efficiency is a key component in their environmental program, which makes sense. Reducing the energy that we use in the stores, offices, and distribution centers helps the environment and saves money. Since 2002, they have installed energy management systems in new stores. These systems help optimize and minimize heating, ventilation, and cooling, and lighting usage. J.Crew requires that the street front stores close their doors, helping keep the air conditioning and heat inside the building to conserve energy. In 2011, they established an Environmental Champions program in stores as a way to encourage and empower their store associates to make a difference in each store. The Environmental Champions have been trained on what they can do and what can be done at the store level to reduce impact, including tips to conserve energy and reduce waste.
Now we're going to work on social media and how J.Crew uses viral marketing. J.Crew uses 3 different outlets that they communicate with their customers: Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. On their Facebook page, they post different updates about different sales. new fashion lines that they have coming out, as well as just information polls about, you know, what should we do in the next upcoming catalog, where would you guys like to see, you know, the newest fashion at, things like that. They also do tweets every day about different, you know, styles that are coming out, also, you know, sales if they have them in different stores. And of course their Tumblr page is used for a more, I guess, fashion conscious group. You can post and tweet and retweet, I guess, different styles and blog it all together. So it's a really great opportunity for them to reach out to the community and to reach out to their customers without actually having to pay lots of money. So that's how they use social media. We'll now be talking about the economy and the longevity of this company. With the economy, what's great about J.Crew is that they have actually listened to their customers and taken account to the economic crisis that our country has been facing. They have opened a lot of clearance items in their store as well as outlet stores. For example, we have one in Orlando, Florida, so that opens the opportunity for people who are you know, struggling financially and still want to, you know, be fashion conscious, or the declining income of the average American family, which is great for this company because a lot of their price items in the regular stores are very expensive, are definitely upper middle class, and it allows them to reach out to a different spectrum and a wide variety of customers. The actual longevity of the company is wonderful because they have been on the, you know, spearhead of all social marketing and viral communications, especially with Facebook and Tumblr and Twitter. Because they are doing this actions now, this will kind of set them up for the future to be successful in any kind of viral communication outlet. And it's branding their item now for the future so they can be successful.
Now we're going to discuss some of the entrepreneurial and leadership qualities that we believe J.Crew possesses and makes them a successful company. Some of the ones that we have listed are discipline, open-minded, having a standard of excellence, being competitive and creative, having strong people skills and a strong work ethic, having a passion, mission, vision, and goal, having a strong team, competency, communication skills, inspiration, and ambitions. And now we're going to talk about the company mission statement. And we feel that as we were doing the research on J.Crew, we found that their company mission statement sort of incorporated and encompassed all of the traits of both entrepreneurial and leadership that we found makes them successful. Quoting them, J.Crew is a nationally recognized apparel and accessories retailer that we believe embraces a high standard of style, craftsmanship, quality, and customer service. We are a fully integrated, multi-channel, multi-brand specialty retailer. We seek to consistently communicate our vision of J.Crew through every aspect of our business, including through the imagery of our catalogs and on our internet website, and the inviting atmosphere of our stores. We feel that the qualities of this mission statement encompass the entrepreneurial and leadership qualities, and that's how we feel makes the J.Crew such a successful company.